All right, let's get into it. Operation Smooth Surface, your guide to the perfect military-style shave. Okay, listen up. This is your official briefing. Your mission starts now. Here's your objective: a clean shave. No nicks, no cuts. Failure is not an option. First up, reconnaissance. You gotta know your battlefield before you engage the enemy, right? Here's your recon checklist. Know these zones. Every single one is a potential high-risk area. Okay, next phase, hydration protocol, because a dry face, that's a compromised battlefield. It's simple. Apply warm water. Keep going till those whiskers are soft and morale is high. And let's be crystal clear. If you don't meet this standard, you are not ready. All right, time to deploy your protective barrier. We're talking shaving cream. This is your armor. Your orders are simple. Apply it liberally and ensure uniform coverage. Gaps are unacceptable. Okay, let's talk about your primary tool. This is a razor, people, not a machete. These are your rules of engagement. Follow them exactly for a successful mission.
Now, listen closely. We're entering high-threat sectors. You need to proceed with extreme caution.
These zones require advanced technique. Seriously, a lot of good recruits have failed right here. Okay, the main engagement is over. Now it's time to rinse and assess the battlefield. Your post-op procedure: rinse with cool water, then pat your face dry, and do not rub. All right, time for inspection. Did you miss any spots during the main assault? If you did, don't worry. They're now reclassified as secondary objectives. Get to it. And now we're at the final phase. It's time to apply that post-operational sealant. You've got two options for your sealant. Make your choice, recruit. It will be noted. So let's review the final mission assessment. How'd you do? No cuts, no scrapes? If you followed the briefing, all objectives have been met. Mission accomplished. Your briefing is complete. You are now cleared for civilian interaction. Dismissed.